This animation shows the exact workflow we're building today, connecting your data, typing a question, and watching a live dashboard assemble itself. This layout shows how most teams manage their operations on the left, staring at endless rows of raw data. On the right is where we're headed, clear, structured visual charts. By the end of this video, you will take your raw numbers and turn them into a live, interactive command center in under 5 minutes, and you won't write a single line of SQL to do it. To follow along, you only need 3 things: a desktop web browser, an active VedaX account, and your operational data ready. When you remove the need to write complex database code, anyone on your team can independently find and share the insights driving your business. Step 1 is getting your data into the system. From the VedaX desktop interface, navigate to the connection menu and select your integration, like Google Sheets or Shopify. You will be prompted to log in to your chosen service. This authenticates your account and establishes a secure link between your daily operations and VedaX Studio. If you are importing a spreadsheet, check your formatting first. Your column headers must be in the very first row, with absolutely no blank spaces or titles sitting above them. You will know the connection worked when VedaX confirms it has read your schema, that is, the underlying structure of your data. This diagram shows exactly how that schema translates. The sidebar is now populated with your specific categories, like revenue, date, and product. Because VedaX connects directly to your source files, you bypass the need to build centralized data warehouses or hire dedicated engineering teams. Now that our data is linked, we use the natural language engine, VedaX Buddy, to extract exactly what we need without writing code. Simply type your request into the interface. Be highly specific to avoid vague outputs. For example, write, "Show me total weekly sales by product category over the last month." Press Enter. Because the query engine runs entirely in process, it parses your request and processes the math in under a second. The interface expands downward, returning a bar chart and text summary citing exact figures. If you ask for metrics not in your spreadsheet, the AI hits a wall and refuses to generate a chart, ensuring you never rely on fabricated numbers. If the engine struggles, adjust your prompt using the exact column names from your raw data. For full transparency, click the View SQL button. This reveals the optimal database code generated behind the scenes to find your answer. By translating plain English into database syntax automatically, you turn operational curiosity directly into empirical evidence. With a successful query generated, click the pin icon to lock that chart onto your dashboard. Repeat this query and pin workflow for your other key metrics, like customer retention and top products, until you assemble a comprehensive view of your business. To share this view, navigate to the distribution settings within the dashboard interface and generate a live link. Before you distribute that link, you must configure your data security using role-based access control. This mockup highlights the correct setting. Always assign this viewer tier to general stakeholders, leaving the administrative roles unselected. Over-provisioning access carries operational risk. High permissions let users alter layouts or modify the database connections. Deploying these granular access controls allows your team to safely democratize data visibility, ensuring you always maintain total structural integrity. You now have a fully realized, interactive dashboard populated by the queries you just built. Because the direct connection to your operational data remains active, this dashboard will automatically update the moment a new sale occurs or a new row is added. From here, you can automate your reporting by configuring weekly emails or establish smart alerts that trigger when a specific metric requires your attention. You have successfully bypassed the traditional business intelligence bottlenecks, turning raw, flat files into a live command center in minutes. No coding, no waiting. Just ask. VedaX answers.